Good morning, guys. Hey, bud. Uh, Hope your morning is starting out great. The sun's coming up over the horizon. Did a little service on the LX665 New Holland. Thought I might run over the few things that I did. This is a workhorse of a machine. It's an older machine, obviously. Got some rust on the paint and everything, but it is only has 1,600 hours on it. Let me just show you a few things. I didn't make a video on doing it because if you're into this thing, you probably already can do it. This is a hydraulic filter here. Change that out. Got a reservoir right here that tells you what your level is, 10W30. Changed out the fuel filters. You got two fuel filters. You got one here and an inline filter here. And then the oil filter. I've got the panels off, as you can see. Got the boom raised. And when you raise the boom, there's a little lever on the inside. These support bars come out. Right there's that lever. Shows you if you turn it to the left, you're in the lock position. Turn it to the right, you're in unlock position. And that holds that boom securely in place while you're working on it. But took the panels off so you can see. Oil filters right there. 10W30 diesel oil. A little under 2 gallons, I think, is what the capacity is on this machine. So easy peasy to service as far as the fluid changes. Rinsed out the radiator, washed it out. Again, I was in a dusty environment yesterday. Air filters in here. You got an inner filter and an outer filter. Pull those out, blow them out real good. You can't breathe with a stuffy nose, and neither can this thing, so it always helps to have it breathing. And I like to try to keep it as clean as possible. Like I say, I was in a dusty environment. When you've got it up, you can access some of these grease fittings here, everywhere you've got a joint, you've got a grease fitting. So it's a good idea to keep plenty of grease on the thing. I don't want it to run dry. If it does, you're going to start hearing squeaks and rattles and metal against metal, and it's going to rub out. Alright, that's sort of a quick tour of servicing the New Holland LX665 turbo. If you're going to have tools, you got to take care of them. If you'll take care of them, they'll take care of you. There's things that breaks and goes wrong out of your control, but greasing it, changing the fluids, that's in your control. And it costs a little money to do it, but it's going to cost you a whole lot of money if you don't do it. Alright, hope your day goes great. We've got a busy day here. Got some logs we've got to mill up. We're making some dimensional lumber for a project we've got coming up. So got to get busy. Hope you get busy. Sitting on the couch is going to ruin you. Get up, get going, whether you feel like it or not. And I started to say I'll see you in the next video. I won't see you, but you'll see me. Have a great day.